All right, now we can start the video.
Hello, it's Center Rider, DMC, intercom, mode.
So today we are going to talk about the Ducati Transparent Maintenance. This is something that all Ducati dealers are supposed to follow, but very few do. And what I've recently learned is Ducati North America just does not care. They allow their dealers to do whatever they want. And this isn't just, to go after one dealer or not. This is to talk about how Ducati North America should follow the laws and guidelines that they've set forth for these franchises, and they're not doing it. So I have a detailed review on my blog, twowheeladv.com, that lists everything that I've discovered in my travels and what I've learned being a manager for the Ducati Service Center at one of the franchises. It's pretty informative. It will bring light to the subject, and I hope that enough customers reach out to Ducati North America and say, what the fuck? Why are we getting fucked? And let's get back to reality. So if you guys want the full list of what Ducati Transparent Maintenance is, please visit my website. If you don't believe me, if you think I'm making it up, you can go straight to Ducati North America's website and see it for yourself. They've got it listed on there. It's real easy to get to. They're not hiding it, but they're not following it. So that's kind of why I went out and I did the blog article. I don't think most people realize that that's something that is available to them as a resource. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. I'm going to post some stuff up, some links for you. Check it out. Give me your comments and let me know if you've reached out to Ducati North America after watching this video in the comments below. Cheers, fellas. Ride safe. I'll see you out there.